Simple Coloring Drawing.
Hi everyone and welcome to Simple Coloring Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and paint a rainbow birthday cake. Let's start drawing. Let's start with birthday cake first.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a
I will decorate this beautiful cake. I am drawing a cute face. Her eyes, her smiling face and her cheeks. Now let's draw some strawberries. For more videos don't forget to subscribe my channel. On the top of the cake, I draw a candle. Good job. Now I'm using this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint it together. Cream, green, red, orange. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button. I am going to use rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green,
the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for
blue,
a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
purple,
Pop goes the weasel.
pink,
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel, a penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, For more videos don't forget to subscribe my channel. Amazing. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.